Hello guys, today we are a little early. Not little early, we are early by book, but we are still on time by so this looks like a solving trade. If we can push to into this levels, we are, let's say so. This is 915 low, this could be 915 low that we are making. 99 low already took, I think this was 99 low. That was, so I think we want to deliver into these 8:30 AM highs. 8:30 high, which is here, which is same of this level. So let's see how this price action will do. I want this premium to get rejected from this 15 minute. Let's see how this premium. Want a lot of that. We are obviously very bullish right now because we have this gap here. Previous low is of 5 liquidity pool, but we still didn't like happen is we have this tap again, but we did take this level, so it like kind of we take this low here, the 715 low, which we already took. Yeah, this low we got took, so around 730 low. What is this? 730 low. Okay, 730 low already took. That is 730 minus 730. Yeah, we have 730 here. You can see that this 730 got took. 720, what about 720? 720 here. 720 also. 720 we need to we took the 720 also. So kind of bullish for this. So we want the premium of this level to get rejected to deliver into that 830 highs. This is pretty laggy, so I hope this is a week of that 50 minutes. So I wanted over in some kind of levels. We was bearish, then we deliver higher by equalizing into this level. What is a 2-day opening range? 2-day opening is far below us. So we might get a run through that highs. Let's see how that closes and closes. This is our target. Very confident this trade. Let's see how this opens. This is our 15-minute high also. So 15-minute high. 7:15. Okay. I made another from my mobile because it is so much. this 15 high. Let's see how the stops and this 30-minute looks like a rejection week here, but we are the 50-minute making a wick. 4 hour looks like we are making a wick through that high. But yeah, the premium of this level is here, so if we are not rejecting from this level, we may not likely to be bullish. The 1 hour looks like we are making a wick. Most likely we are not going to be bullish for that. The major liquidity pools are above us, and these 5-minute are not getting respected, of course. 50-minute almost got imposed. The 30-minute kind of making a wick here. The 1 minute also look like making a wick. 4 hour also looks like making a wick. 1 hour, 30-minute. Only the 50-minute is enough. So that means no trades. Do not trade this trade, but I think we will over here. Let's see how this plays. An opening in 10 minutes. form, we tapped into this level multiple times. If we want to come into that level, most likely that means we are going bullish. Resolution needed for that. So this is definitely bullish, bearish. It's still to be. Okay, man. കണ്ണ് രണ്ടും കണ്ണ് കണ്ണിലുണ്ട് കണ്ണ് കനവും കണ്ണ് 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 രണ്ട് കണ്ണ്. There 1 hour of weeks. Of course, we are already rejecting the belief of that. That means that money is not right and can be wrong sometimes. Amine. കണ്ണ് രണ്ട് കണ്ണ് കണ്ണ് Oh God, my mother owns. If you want to crash, you need to get something like this. The crashing is the best thing that we can get. So, for crashing, better. There is no better levels to go. Go bullish if you are asking bullish. I like it to crash when it crash. If it is crashing, then we will make a most likely this is going to crash now. But before that, we might take that loss. We This may be a good trade. I don't know. Today's 9:15 I am as the rate given. Wow, great. Yeah, now we are going bearish for a short period of time. This is 9:30 low. Need to mark the 9:30 low on the both sides. Okay, 9:30 low marked. 8:30 got taken. Right. 8:30 got taken. What is this? Okay, 8:30 got taken on the both sides. We have a higher level draws above us, but taking it could be a risky one because that took us both of our key levels. Even this 545 level we already took. We also not made any wicks anywhere. Yes. This was a good wick. So it's better to take when we fill away this level, make a quick shot. It's far more better than this level, I think. What do we have here? The upper we have upper we go for the 50-minute candle without a distribution to the low side. So the 30-minute also a great level to look at. We have this 1 hour lower because sitting right below with the 15-minute, 5-minute gaps. Great liquidity pool that is not yet taken. Just like these levels, we have the 5 AM lows. We have the 5 AM lows. We might take this 930. If it doesn't flush through this level, we might be bullish. Flushing through this level is what we need. Yeah, we might have a good ride here. Yeah, this is a good shot. You can take this shot. Try this shot in low risk. Because the reaction, no, don't try this. This is a break even either way. If we took this trade, this is a break in because no, it is not a good trade, man. You don't know how to take an trades. Because we already made the 15-minute wick here. That is some kind of, I don't know, that is the wick that we just rejected. So let's see how this reacts. I have no more levels to target to the downside. But high is high, we don't have any levels also. We have this level, that is the last level that we want to see the price. We don't need to take this trade. Don't take this trade in my opinion, because this is not a valid setup. We just rejected from that area. That doesn't mean we are bullish. If this 930 doesn't take that, that would be a good trade. But the 930 is already taken, and somehow we are not very good with that. We take the 830. This is the break-even zone if we are already in this trade. Because we already moved past, delivered to the outside. This shot is really good. If you are taking a shot, take that shot into the 15 minutes. Perfect shot, kind of. You are not going to let's wait for this 3 minutes. Already got a reaction from that level. Okay, this high is kind of a very good level. Yeah. Full TP 1 to 1, okay, better to take 1 to 1 here. You already have the 1 minute, 1 hour, continuation, the 4 hour, wave right there, everything aligns with us. Who knows of even if the 3 minutes get inverse, we can take this trade. Have that 15 minutes sitting there. കണ്ണ് രണ്ടും കണ്ണ്. My opinion, I may recommend them to take this shot. We are already in that 15 minutes, so that's why I'm not taking this. If we are not in that 15 minutes, I might take that trade because we are in that 15 minutes. And we may got something that is let's see. We have a 3 minute inversion. I don't want to take that 3 minute inversion. I don't know why. We have this wake here that is most likely to just edges. For looks like super bearish. For 1 hour, everything looks like bearish. We still have this hourly low here. That's final inversion also. Right. Let's see that final inversion, but let's inversion. Yeah. If you are in this trade, this is a perfect time to go break here. Our all draws are below us. So, and 15 minute, 5 minute, everything is pointing us to the downside. Wow, so low. We can take that trade 5 minute inversion with a 3 minute inversion, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. We inverse around here, I think. Yeah, no. We inverse here. No, yeah. I think we inverse there, yeah. Right. No, this was the inversion. This was 35. Where is 35? 35. So, is that? Oh. This was a full TP without break even. When we mitigate into this, this is not a very obvious. Holy fuck. Yeah, we kind of made that move. And the problem here is we don't have an obvious levels to target either. To the highs. I think we are bearish for the day. This feels good, bro. I think where we are aggressively taking this high or this high, we are going to continue in that direction. So let's see. I'm just this is just my observation only. This is just a prediction. I'm not going to act on anything. I think which one is more going to get taken fast, we are going to continue in that level. Let's see. And I might take this low, but I don't like this low. There is not enough ways to target other than these previously highs. And we have a huge rejection with 11 minute close to the 10 AM open also. We did do this high also, so we'll wait for our time open. That will be in few minutes. I'm not planning to take any trades from here, so I'm going to do some happy now. I'll come back. my god, my ass hurts. What the fuck, dude? Okay, we will close this in a few minutes. So I think this 1 hour candle, if we want go bullish. So we are distributed lower, we had pretty good reaction from that lower. Looks like solid levels. So if we can sweep, okay, we can delete all these levels for it. What I am expecting, let's see. Okay, let's remove this all these bullshits. What is this level? It's this 945, okay. 946 level, that is okay level. We need to mark this level also. Let me just delete this level. Okay, that is enough. What is that? Is some kind of 1 hour 15-minute gap right there. So we kind of respected that level also with the 15-minute gap. Okay, so if we want to go bearish, I think we will react off this level. That we also form a PO3 on the 1 hour also, because we are truly bearish. We will distribute higher a little bit and we will form some kind of. So if we are bullish, we will rip through this level. And when do we confirm we are truly bullish? I only need to confirm we are truly bullish by inversing this 1 minute. Okay, that is enough for us to go bullish. Even this 5 minute looks like a thing, but how do we, when do we go bearish? So if the 1 hour open ups, we put a candle like this and we tap into this 5 minutes, and either at 30 second, 30 second or 1 minute inversion to this, we are we are full putting shorts. When are we doing nothing? Here kind of choppy, no good momentum, nothing. We are doing nothing. So what do we have here? There's a 3 minute here. I think we want to go bearish. This run loss looks so convincing to show. I don't think this is the true levels. Let's see the 30 minutes. 30 minutes looks like this, so kind of weird. The 1 hour is the best thing to be for PO3. So 30 minutes is kind of weird. Both looks so not so good levels to go short of loss. And of result, the full port this short is the full port like resting 2% for this trade. If we get really what we actually need. 945 is still sitting there. We formed a kind of inversion to that level. 15 minutes. Let's look at the 15 minute for now. Okay, how this 15 minute reacts. 10 AM just opened, so this is the 10 AM. What is the 10 AM wick? Okay, these are the 10 AM highs and lows. Let's wait for the 10 AM highs and lows to get formed first. In 15 seconds, wait to remove this. Can remove this. Remove this. Okay, we formed that. Okay, we took that high first. Okay, then we are delivering to the downside. So if we can take that 10 AM low, Then any inversion from here to the upside would be our long, and this looks like a solid setup also, or some random blah blah setup. Let me look for a 30-second or something. Looks like look good, this is good. No 30-second yet. Wait for 1 minute. I am thinking of longs. There is no liquidity down below other than this low resistance Asian ranges and no inversions we will wait for. There is no wild inversion, we wait for this 15 minute to get mitigated or this 1 minute to get inversed to go longs into that. Look at this 30 minute. This looks like an weird. Like these have both of these lasers have a breakthrough section. So a good momentum. Where we have a better momentum, I think that is the better trade. 10 AM low got taken and both 10 AM highs and lows got taken. So we want to take this CSID setup. Not a bad trade at all. Try this. CSID setup and taking a demo trade. $100 risk. I can't take buys. Why? Oh, we already took that TP. Okay, great. Hell nah. Okay, we are kind of bullish. We might be very bullish. So this 15 minute looks so safe right now. The 5 minute is the only thing that we should worry about. Should also worry about this equilibrium. Your accumulation manipulation setups looks like this. But the question is, do we actually want this 15 minute inversion? It's like looks like a solid setup and the inversion looks so solid. Problem with this trade, we didn't inverse this one here. We still have levels to get inversed. Wait for that beta. I think everyone will enter this trade. At least Dodgy will take this trade. Don't know about him, but maybe. This 5 minute is also got inverse, so better put that below that level. I am not taking it on my account, but this looks like a bad strata for me because might work, might not. For me, it looks like a sad, not so good setup. Let me get some more momentum with that trade. So let's look at this 5 minute to 4. Yeah, here we go. Just like what we predicted, this could happen. This could be a 30 minute big form or a 15 minute big forms to go lower. So exactly I was thinking. This is not going to fight. This is either going to higher side or to the low side. I was so clear about that, and that is exactly what happened here. We inverse the 1 minute, that doesn't matter at all here. Yo, we already inverse that to the downside, man. But we don't have any value levels to go short in my, I think, yeah. Other than the London lows, we inverse this level. I can see it in my trail logger account, so I'm not taking this short either. What happened, man? Huge bucks. No shorts, no nothing. Yeah, look at this. This is completely get inversed. Let me think about for a moment. Did we take that low yet? Not yet. So maybe we might get a setup. Maybe a CSID, 3 minute. 5 minute looks also alright. The 3 minute is beautiful. I'm overall bullish also, so. What about the 30 seconds? 30 seconds looks so bearish. I don't want to footport my account this trade, so let me wait for it. This is our target, this 1 hour low. If we are meeting that, this is gonna be meet. If this plays walk, that is we might wanna go there, so. Let's see how it will react from this node, okay? Still didn't take this 955 low, 955 low is still there. This relative equal lows got taken already. We have the, yeah, I might take this if we get a good inversion. Yeah, I got a good inversion. I am in the shorts. I got a CSID and we look at this ES. ES is edging that for 1 hour low. We might, most probably we are going to distribute to the low side. My heart is pounding. I still did too much, man. I think it is a solid trade because there is no way we are going to edge this low, and this inversion looks so very good. And we might get the rejection from this area also. The 15 minute have 5 more minutes to get a close. I am putting my SL at that low of that candle. Did we intercepted our low? Not yet. And why are we bullish? I don't know why I still think this is a solid one, I think. About this low, okay. Yeah. This is the valid break-even point. So I got break-even there. Oh wow. Beautiful. Yeah, because we entered right here, so we entered right here. We already took this hourly low. My stop is around there, and my it was 1 to 1, and this was my so we need to distribute lower. No way we are going to stall here. The London high is our target. London lows are our target. Don't want to go any lower, I think. The 15-minute opening is a single problem. It might be for we should distribute lower. I think the 15-minute lower is something. Yeah, we don't need to panic. We just need to break it into that level. Just break it into that level. Nothing we should worry about right now. Right now, what we can do is just wait for into. This is our last target, so I am only taking 1 to 1 here and for this trade, but still we can target that levels. 15-minute close, we should keep an eye on it. My actual TP is around here. We will open that 15-minute in a few minutes. I'm closing some out, so because we are closing the 15 minutes, so I want to close some out. So I am running that to the lower. I took some out. I am running the because we are opening the 15 minutes, so I am running it lower until this London lows. We might open this 15 minute and quickly go break even there, and we may distribute to the low side. That's why I took some out here. I took around $20, I think. Yeah, I took around $20. Problem with this is we are opening the 15 minutes. That's why I took this. That may not be a problem, but we might go break even. We might get break even there. So, yeah, we did get break even. Not yet. Not yet. We still not got break even. But might. I'll see the 15-minute reaction after 15-minute opening reaction. Some candles will just push through this. That kind of candle is what we need here, and it is 7:45. I didn't got break even yet. I think I filled around here. Yeah. Oh no, I edged again. Break even got edged again. Yeah, I took only $14 to the profit. Okay, $14, 5 for the stop loss. I took $14 for the partial, and I got break even here on the 15-minute top one. Yeah, just like I predicted, I took around some here, some out here, so that way I can make sure that I didn't do nothing stupid at all. Wrong with that, I think we make a break even there, and I don't want to hold it because we are all out bullish. And I have another rule that if we enter here and the price moved up and come back into one of our zones, we should go break even there also. That's my other rule. So this rule saved our ass maybe or maybe not. Look at this 15 minute distributed higher. This might go full TP, I don't know. Wow. Till the Farley Highland loss. I'm taking a plus longs if we get some. We are inside this 4 and we want one of my trades. There's a big rejection block here, but we have the throw above us. That 5 minutes, so 5 minutes got invoiced. Actually, level we might want to go break in is this level, so where we rejected from this 830 level, so might be this level that we should worry about than this level. Keep in mind. Is there A plus shorts? Yeah, kind of, because we literally close below this. We should at least get that low. So that is kind of, this is my favorite A plus setup also. Problem with that, maybe I should have taken it something like this. What is this 1 hour doing? One of do we have any plans of setups or anything? The best thing to do is go long if we can invest this, but I don't think we can. There's enough momentum. We need enough momentum rather than anything else. We have London lows, everything below us. Can I watch the TGR? Maybe close this for a moment.
Accepts this guy as his business.
TGR is live. Maybe he is short. He is in long. TGR is not in long. I think he the other guy. What is his name? I don't know. I think both
Yeah,
are
bro,
Barish.
today's really tricky. Yes, just versus this bearish gap right here, though. So, if anything, that should give you a little bit more confidence in your longs. Even though that moved down, you probably got a little bit spooked by that, huh, buddy? You probably got a little bit spooked out, bro. See, that's why you gotta trust yourself, man. You can't, like, see, you can't be scared about shit like that. You cannot be scared about shit like that.
That was like, I really want to hit close.
Bro!
I really want to hit close.
No, see.
Bro, why is market so tricky today, bro? Big move up, big move down.
He's in longs, but I am taking longs after we inverse this. So.
But we waited for all the confluences to align and see what we wait for everything to align and stuff. When it starts to see, confluences align, you guys will start to see that.
I have a feeling.
That is inverse this too, guys. Okay.
You're in the street too?
Oh my god!
Bro, how many times am I gonna take? Oh, nice.
Bro, I mean, I can also be wrong. I haven't been wrong since the start of this month, bro. Or, I mean, we can.
Not a super good close for that to take also. One minute is enough for us to take the long. We only have this high there for us to take. No other lows are there. So did he full TP? Not yet.
Has the opportunity to. Never say never.
And if we are in this long, there is no need to be break even here. I think final row would be there.
Yeah.
We are in that trade.
Production teaching daylight savings.
I actually think that there is no reason at all.
Wow, it's insane.
15 is already rotating. We have here. Kind of stalling there.
Who the fuck said short? All of you did. All of you did. You guys said short down here and then it went long. You guys said long right here, then it went down. You guys said short right here, then it went up. The only person that's been right this entire day has been Tim. You guys are idiots, bro.
We are getting support with
It's
that.
a flag pattern. It's a flag pattern. Potential retrace right here, guys. It's a potential retrace. Thank God the world was watching oil.
That could have been a people would try long game.
Yeah. We could still very well still manipulate all of this shit. It's still like this entire gap, entire range. All of that shit's still possible. Like, literally right now we're range bound. Right? Like, we're literally just playing within this range. Like, we go from this
Yeah,
side down to
if we
this
can
low,
inverse this
side down to
level up.
low, this side down to this low.
I might take a low risk trade for a
You know, market can only say
maybe a
stay
$50
range bound for
risk
so
to
long,
that
so
low. It
we'll
looks
see,
good
what it wants to
and
do, but
crazy
you know,
good.
we very
I'll
well
just
could come
close.
back down and stop ourselves out. But again, it doesn't matter because it's
Let's see.
yeah. It would be different if see. I'm glad that we aren't taking this on your qualified account, and I'm glad that we're in the positive on that, or already have a good day on that, because that would fucking suck. I had to literally triple check like we're talking about.
He is in same shot, but oh, I am hiding this. Okay. Look at this. He is in this long. Tim is in this long.
Shoot, such a
We
shock.
have this conversion. We will close in 15 minutes and 2 minutes.
Market open at 9:30. It's 10:30 right now Eastern time, and I would
Yeah.
know because we are.
Look at
on
this 30
Eastern
minutes.
time
So
in
if we can close this 30 minutes, something like this. So when we close this, we might get a small retrace into any of these levels, any of these tiny levels. Then we close above that 1 minute gap. Perfect.
Look at this, bro. Market open. This is so ugly. 5 minutes, like literally just. It's funny because whatever direction the market chooses, like that will either be take profit or stop loss, and we just have like the middle. We literally have the equilibrium of this range. Nice thing now is like we made our decision, so you know, it's like now it's like let's stop with the analysis and just like let the shit rock, you know. Yeah, you're literally already in it, so there's no reason to overanalyze. Like I'm sure you probably got spooked by us inversing this gap. Like we're already in the shit. We just gotta let it ride. Here on this ES trade, just gotta let the shit rock. Short end. Answer why you trade at a different time this fucking day. Holy shit. Hey guys, in the United States of America, Cheezer with the 10 gifted. Thank you, Cheezer. Holy shit. Yeah, I think so. W Cheezer. Newsflash, guys. The United States runs the fucking world. And the United States is on daylight savings time.
Nationally has to follow what we do.
Here we go.
Hate to break it to you, it's 10:30 Eastern time.
The best thing to do is involve this 1 minute and close above these levels. So perfect trades to go long.
So
When we have a these big around this levels, but look at this 4 hole. We deliver low. Look at this previous 4 holes. Great levels. And this is sort of rejection block. That doesn't matter. We already
look at what time it is in New York, and whatever time that is, market opens at 9:30 a.m.
This is not a matter, man. Already involves this level, crazy.
Thank you for the 5 gifted B flowers.
www.
Here's 1030 low here, right here. Right away,
Yeah, I mean, I think in that gap, it's just
Okay. More shit from the We build up LR here, but no reason to go short from here. 1030 low right there, 1030 low.
Holy chop!
Let's see this 15 and how this performs. We screwed up about this. If we can inverse this lever, this would be a discretionary long rather than a normal long.
Production, please. Please, bro, I told you, bro, I told you. To be able to tap. Then I'll toss it. What that would be 400. Yeah. So, clean 400. 400. So just so you can see. Don't want to.
This is stupid as fuck, bro. This is fucking bad.
Really? Hey.
We may get a treat. I mean this long. Just like we planned for the $50 risk. No reason to go break even, no reason to go Go break even until we hit the TP.
To your point, Reach. Has the opportunity to. It has the opportunity to, bro. We had to extend the take profit because we need a $6,000 trade. ES took out this high, range bound, bro. It's not looking good. Should just close it. No, that is right. Good, that is right.
There is no reason to go break in anywhere here because we already involved this. Where to put keep our SR below that level. This is the question. I'm going to put it here into tap levels. Oh, I got scared of what.
Look at all bro, I really turned Tim into a profitable trader in one fucking week. Fuck all of you guys, bro. Oh my god, on your fucking head top! On your fucking head top! On your head top!
Should I go break even? I will be emotionally weak. I think it's good enough to go break even because either it's either going to TP or going to SL, okay? Because after this big pump, there is no way we are going. We know we no need. We should go back in the level. So I'm now at break even.
On your fucking head, hey, can you do me a fucking
So he's celebrating his wins.
Literally every single idiot that was telling us, oh, go long up here, you got fucked. Everybody that was telling us, go short right here, you got fucked. Everybody that was saying, go long right here, you got fucked. Everybody that actually listened to what I was telling Tim ended up making money today. Come on, bro. We sit here, we stay patient.
If this go break even and go TP, man, I'm fucked.
I'm telling you, bro. If you just listen to what the fuck I tell you every single day market open, bro, we've been fucking eating.
Yeah, I got break even. I'm done for the day, but
That's $6,000.
why did I go break even?
$67 on the fucking day, bitch. $6,000 on the fucking day.
after this big pump, there is no need we should actually go break even. That's the problem with me. There is a 930 opening range there, so that may be a reason, that could be a reason that we can take. But no way we are edging these highs. I shouldn't have go break even though, but look at here, we respected at 30 minutes.
No, it's not. Where are the haters?
And where'd they go?
Where are they at?
Non-existent because they got stopped out.
Oh, there.
We are looking forward to ride that momentum also. Both we have them. We are kind of looking for that highs.
Yo, comment on that dude's video right now. Say
Momentum
fuck
is
you.
not there much.
Literally, comment on that dude's video right now. Say how'd that one go for you, buddy? Genuine, guys, Tim has only lost one trade throughout this entire challenge.
Yeah, fuck it. It's going to.
Oh, no trades for me today. Oh, no trades for me today. No trades for me today. Why didn't you take this one, buddy? Why didn't you try and inverse Tim on this one, buddy? No trades for you today. Yeah, it's almost like you got your whole shit fucking blown, bruh. It's almost like you got your entire account fucking
Fuck it.
blown because Tim
There we go.
has literally only lost one trade. Has literally only lost one single trade since all of this shit started. Yeah, right, buddy. How much did TJR make? I'm up like 50K. My stop's at break even. I still have half my position running. Close more partials right here.
Stranger is still running his trade, man. But his stocks is at the
Thank you for the 5 gifted, Bruce. Thank you for the 5 gifted.
Oh, this was a shot.
Completely fair with you. I think you're trading better than the vast majority of mentors on TikTok and shit right now.
What's so crazy that all this is just like basic.
Y'all need to buy my course or something. You said literally.
Someone else knows what he's doing.
Y'all need to buy my fucking course, bruh. It's almost like it's almost like we dead ass doc. He didn't do shit. I almost called you the N word, bro. Oh my god. You literally just made 6, bro. You literally got 1 step closer, bro. Actually, no. This eval's passed now. We just have to hit CPI at the goal.
This might go higher, man. I don't care, but still. Actually, the problem is we don't need to go break even anywhere. That's the problem, is right. No need to go break even. So. I still go break even, so I will be fucking pissed, man. I didn't follow my rule and I got punished. That's it. I'll take it as a.
Nah, bro. I know. I'm sure both of these spooky crazy. Why you gotta stay in that bitch, bro? All eyes are on oil. Yo, guys, let's turn our focus to the world's commodity right now. All eyes are on oil. Over the past fucking 12 hours, it hasn't moved at all. Yet the world is watching oil. The world is watching oil. Actually, no, the world's watching Timmy in fucking TV. Yeah. Bro, just having operations, bro. Hell yeah, I'm up crazy now. Bro, I'm up, bro. This month has been insane for me. I'm up 86,000. I'm gonna close right now. It's another 6-figure day. I've only had 6-figure days this month. Look at this month, boys. 570,000.
That's my mentor! That's my mentor!
She's whipping still. Holy fuck. Yo. You gave him last night's trade? Bro, last night's trade was farming a winning day.
Literally, I can hold this right now. That was a bad decision.
Literally, bro. It's
Two
not
trades for the day.
it's like,
I do the shot around here.
yeah.
Stop was around
That was
here.
Tim's choice, bro.
Pretty was at
W trade, thank you for all the idiots shorting. Literally, thank you. Thank you for literally everyone being our exit liquidity.
Appreciate you guys. Appreciate it, guys.
Thank
I
you.
don't know what number without you guys today.
SMTs.
Thank you for your liquidity. Thank you for all your orders. Thank you for all the dumbass chatters that were telling us to go in the opposite direction of the market literally every single second throughout the first fucking hour of market open, bruh.
Why did I go break even with that trade, man? Fucking great trade.
Literally, bro.
Free liquidity was
Go long
fucking
right here.
waited for this.
Go long right here. Go long right here. Go short right here. You're laughing, but that used to be good. That was literally-
Yeah, well played. Anyway, it's a win-win, no problem. This was a fucking great trade, man. When I open, I put it sell around there. There's some cheese with that previous hourly lows, like this hourly low got taken that low, so. fucking great trade, man. Waited for that shit. Executed with the momentum. Fucking great trade. I shouldn't have gone break even at this level, but what happened was that TGR got full TP at this level. So TGR team got full TP at this level, and when they are celebrating, I was like, fuck it. I shouldn't watch others. This is the primary reason for this, man. Never watch others while we are trading. I liked a little bit entertainment because I was very boring, so I took that. I was bored as fuck, so
That's about it. March 5th. I don't really remember which trade you're talking about, honestly. But it makes sense. I mean, those types of trades do miss sometimes. They do. Yeah, I took this trade, got break even, sadly. And if a 5-minute is forming right now, I mean, like, it's kind of tough because it's like now you're at the 0.5 of the bar. Nah, I mean, yeah, 5-minute continuation could probably work. You're also coming up on the end of the session, though. Yeah, it's been a break-even kind of day. Oh, I get what you're saying. Well, in this instance, though, oh, okay, I know which one you're talking about now. In this instance, though, it's like, it's more about how close, like the vicinity of the high time frame draw. Like in this instance, this was like a way stronger draw than it was for that other trade. Because it was like this untapped hourly that was right there with this LRL above it. What's up, Tristan? I took a break even, sad break even. I break even on this just because we were 75 points in green. Maybe it was dumb, but I mean, you would just think that if we were going to pull back as hard as we did, that that'd be a bad sign. Evidently, it wasn't, I guess. The 4-hour had an SMT. He SM tapped into it. That was part of my confidence for taking it. My fucking chemical mouths are still here. The thing that's upsetting me the most is that there was a big chunk in my brain that was thinking, like, target this, break even here. What an insane banger that would have been, but whatever. Yeah, it's just the only thing I'm upset about, or I don't know, I wouldn't even say upset, I just feel weird just because, like the break even, like technically a big part of it was thinking about NQ in this 1 minute and ES in the 5 minute. wish I had that trade. I wish we won. Remember, like people in chat were like, "Oh, I hope you win." I was just like, "Me too." Sad. And my mouth still tastes like chemicals. I don't think today was too bad. It was just a little tough. It was a tough day. It was in between two draws a little bit, chopping around. You had a big move. It was a weird day. You could do that, K. I'd say it's a little lower probability just because the time of day. But it's possible if there was like a really good entry for sure. We're displacing pretty hard through this shit. The buy model. Valid. This is the trade I wanted to take. It's not the trade that I did take. This is a Ronin's trade, though. It was a good one. It would have been break even for me, but it was just a 5-minute continuation, 30 seconds to the downside after leaving an untapped hourly. This hourly was untapped. Pulled back into this 5-minute. And then inverse to the downside. But at least we're cooking, right, boys? I mean, we're cooking. Maybe the break-even's unlucky. Maybe it was a bad move. But the read was still there. My reads are fucking cracked. Back to having my discretionary. I feel my confidence is definitely back. Definitely back. I'm feeling amazing. The win streak is technically alive. Not that that matters. Is this short coming up, buddy? Yes, I'm not taking a short right now, no way. Dang, I don't want to leave you guys so soon. But yeah, I'm out of here. These boys have a good day. See you boys tomorrow. We're locked. Now I got break even. Yeah, it was tough. Tragic.
So let's jump off this shit and move on. Let's mark the first trade here also. First trade was when we are around here and the 1 hour low was just edging us. 1 hour low, okay. hit. Let's go. Monday, Friday. RR was 1 to 1. First trade RR was 1 to 1. Even though it was 1 to 1, I was take partials and planning to took it into the ladder loss. It didn't work out as I planned. So PNL was first was around 15 plus $10 because I took some partials. Let's take it as a BE. NQ winner loss, it is a BE. Entry was a very good entry. 5-minute continuation. Even though we inverse this far, we instantly instantly reverse into that level. So, and we have a 1 hour below. So that was my trade idea, and that was a little bit more discretionary trade. And the previous 1 hour low right there. Previous, where is 1 hour low? Previous. Five-minute continuation, or we can take it as a 3-minute continuation. Yeah, 3-minute continuation. 3-minute continuation. 1 minute ifvg, and that's a great trade. 1 minute ifvg. Okay, this was a confidence entry. Time of entry was around 10:08. Yeah, it was 10:08. DOL was previous 1 hour high low. And session liquidity, because we are aiming for. Okay, this was around 1 to 2. Let's take it as a 2 because we took some partials. After we took the partials, we are aiming for that London low. So that is a one trade. Rating is a head trade. A light time frame. This was and light time frame. Breaking was a perfect decision at that 1 hour low. Every time we go 1 hour loss of breaking, so that's not a problem at all. Let's leave the 5-minute here. Okay, the 5-minute. So where is 5-minute here? Okay. At least our draws was correct. We just need to fix our psychology a little bit. Just need to fix our break-even points as solid one. So here we can see the second trade, how much did we move up? Around 49 pips. After we got in, we moved up around 47 ticks. Yeah. Sorry, what was our break even? We break even at right here. We moved 25 pip, we put break even, but here, how much we did move? We move around 45 pips, okay. But here only moved 45 pips. And there is no valid levels to go break even. This is our break even level if we want to go break even. And we can even target this loss first. It's a good trade, man. Why did I put break even? That was Monday. Psych was. We open the 10 a.m. candle here, around here. Then we distribute a higher, and we come here like we almost made a 15-minute wick. So that is a PO3 support here also. We need to add the PO3 also. So why? If the mid was made a good rejection, put the at take some partials when we made $15 when we This was the first trade recap, and the second trade was here. It was a 1-to-1 trade. PNL was also 0. There was NQ, winner loss was break even. This entry was clean distribution. We can see that the 5 minute nearly close here at 35, and the 15 minute is just pushing upwards. We have the crazy momentum. We just played with the momentum. We have this 1 minute inversion that made a huge back. So let's see. We can remove this one now and see what was this trade idea. Okay, around where was our entry? 10:36. Okay, so where is 10:36 here? 10:36. This was our entry. This is just marking for understanding where was our trade. That's it. We mitigated in this is 30 minutes, but we already outside of that 30 minutes. So we have the very good support of this PO3. That was momentum, and momentum is the main reason we took that in with that. Momentum, 1 minute inversion, and we can consider it as a 1 hour continuation, right? Look at this, we tapped into this 1 hour, we got SMDs with that 4 hour, I think. Yeah, we have SMDs with that 4 hour, and PO3 support is there. Previous hour 1 more low was our target. The previous 1 hour low was our higher support. Name entry was 10:36, 10:36, right. The oil was previous hour higher low. That is also the 9:30 opening high, around the 9:30 opening high. And we have the new week opening gap higher. New week opening gap liquidity, and rating was it is an air trade. Just because we have that momentum and thing, because I feel that is a very good trade. Low time frame trade. I think we didn't do that. Oh, okay, here. We need the 1 hour now. We already have the 1 hour, so maybe we can add the 15 minutes for was not good, not planned to could be anywhere when I entered the trade, but when I got that moment, I thought I make a winning trade to a losing one. Actually, no. Draws above us. Other it be emotionally weak, so early PE and missed within trade. Never ever in my day be other than areas. Okay. This is a continuation setup. At that time we only took that, I think. Okay, either way, plan for this fucking day, bad play. Not very bad day, was perfectly planned. Only bad day because of me, myself, okay? No need to go break even at the second day.